Before we get hot,
Bro.
come, we want to talk to you a little bit. What's up?
Talk to me.
No, G's and P's. Behave yourself, woman. Anyways, long time we not see you. What have you been up to? How the
Since the last time we spoke, I don't know if you remember.
How can
When
you
I
work
get
there?
a call for a job, I did the interview and they called me. I know I'm a front office agent at Sandals Negro.
So how has that been? How has that been?
It
for you?
has been horrible.
So,
But guess what?
Come do some acting, man.
What's acting?
No, do some more news reading and anything there.
I me come first still.
So you gonna do some of that today?
Yeah man, I'm going to do it.
But Everly, you're not dressed like a news lady, you know.
I have my jacket. Me not talk but no pit but a pit no enough for the man. Me have like jacket to cover my shoulder.
So you have your suit up thing already?
Right.
So I got suit up this evening before you go.
I'm just gonna put my jacket on.
Alright, so we are gonna see our people suit up. And one next reminder for, as a matter of fact, you tell them, subscribe and like.
Poems by Everly Graham,
And yes, so too.
Richard Brown Films, and
Yeah, so that video where them I watch, then for subscribe, yes, so too.
please subscribe to this video.
Yes, thank you.
That's Akeem right there.
Yo, you're gonna make one bad thumbnail, you know. I swear them all click like worries. Just give them 2 poses now. 2 bad boy pose. Boy. One more. 2 boy. No, sir. Richard gonna have hard feet. Later. Yeah. What were you doing at the video them?
I only report the news, the good and the bad.
How you link up with Richard Brown Films?
Okay, I saw them and I liked them. And they like me.
Okay, so this is one of them where they not even can tell you how them and Richard Brown Films link up, but it's alright. So we'll get into the video now. So she's an actress as well, so they do the news report thingy. So we are find out about her fast in her business, in her personality. Get in the video. I don't know. What's that ask about all ago? Or me that tell about it.
I'm going to.
Pour the alcohol.
Where do I put it?
I don't know anywhere.
Represent me, man.
So it seems like the same video, but it's actually different. Same in that I always talk to some female I try fast in them business. This is what is happening, but it's kind of different because of the specific female and because of what exactly I'm about to do right now, which is that intake alcohol. I mean, like, me not really like alcohol in a guys, but
I love it.
sometimes me like it, but she like it all the time.
Oh,
So
God, don't
right
say
now, right now we share that in common, so we can hang out now. So Everly, I know so some whole heap of questions that come just the same, and I hope you have one of your nice poem them ready for you. Yeah, pour mine as well.
Definitely. Why not?
Hold on. That is too much alcohol.
It's
That's
not.
much
It's a little bit.
Alright, put the Red Bull in there now.
It's the boom.
And the ground look clean, so you can't put anything down there.
I'm going to ask you to put this in your pocket for me if you don't mind.
This is yours?
It's pink. Is that yours?
Oh, iPhone. Oh man, can't make the phone go up and ground, you know, sorry.
Your mother?
I just use commit all on a crime them.
We will not even go there.
No, me just I call it crime. It can be a good thing, but me just whenever women are up to something, me just call it crime. Anything at all.
Yeah. It's a lot of boom.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. Is that strong?
Alright, so it good. So just for contextualize everything. Some bit of roadblocks, some little bit of hurdles. People don't normally talk about them something up on video and they aren't supposed to. But me I talk about it because I want to talk about it and get it out of my system. So I'm gonna do that by question Everly.
Okay.
So Everly,
Yes.
tell us a little about yourself.
Okay, so I'm Everly. Everly Graham. I am 25 years of age.
You know, I'm going to reserve my opinion. Want you to tell me in the comments? Tell me in the comments if she looks, if you could have guessed 25 looking at her. But anyway, let's continue.
And I love poetry.
Mm-hmm.
And rum. I'm Jamaican.
Alright, fair enough. So, alright, for better know the kind of person that you are. Boom, but like something that eat off all in tail. You ever heard of them? I'm gonna go closer to him. I see one iguana. And if but him run from me.
You know, must run after somebody hit off your tail. You know, must run.
But anyways, enough of the iguanas.
Yeah.
So 25, likes rum, Everly Graham. What do you do for fun?
I write poems. That's fun to me. That's boring to somebody else, but I write poems. Yeah, that's about it.
That is not about it. But now yourself, I'm going to show you that is not about it. We're going to find out some more. So, tell me about friends.
Alright, so I have friends.
Let's talk about your best friend.
Mostly male friends. My best friend is a male. Well, alright, I'm not going to say that my best friend is a male, but I have category of friends.
So, Olanda, one question for the guys. Do you think one female can have one guy best friend, him not gay, them not have sex, and him not try sex? I just want a random question I ask. Me not ask you that question. But anyways,
I have my reasons why I choose to be friends with a male.
No shade. No shade. That wasn't any kind of shade. But I just something that come to my mind right away. I wonder if yeah. But why is that male friend your best friend?
Alright, so the experience I had with the female species is quite abysmal. And yeah, man, this female species.
No, that's the thing. Like, I don't want to jump the gun, but in my head now, I say, so hold on there. Because there are no females left, I say, I'm just settle with a male best friend then. Is that it?
There are females left, but once bitten, twice shy.
No, but alright, so like, alright, for me, like, I probably didn't ask the question correct. So, why, if me did have one best friend, why is my best friend my best friend? Probably because of the things that we share in common.
I was going to get to that.
Oh, okay, my bad. So, start from where you were starting from.
I was at where I have my friends in categories. Like, alright, I have to watch you. I have to catch you one place and watch you. Alright, I'm going to have you this close, can't come here so. But then I have the main friend, the main event where me and him share the same things and we love rum alike and all of them something there. I can tell him anything, I can confide in him. And he motivates me. I like things like that. Me can be blunt with my best friend.
What your male best friend name start with? Out of curiosity.
Oh.
Let's start with.
Oh.
Oh?
Oh.
Oh. Alright, cool. So I get from what I've asked so far that you're, what I say, complicated. Very complicated young lady.
Yes, I am.
Now based on how you structure your friend thing, may I say that's enough work, brother, like me can't.
It's not, listen, like I said before, it's once bitten, twice shy. I'm not going to let people come close to me who's going to hurt me or hurt me again. You understand? So
really?
So once
hold the camera, video me there. Hold the camera. My hand kinda tired too. So press that something and make it focus.
Alright, let me see. Alright.
My arm. So I kinda think that hypocritical a while ago. No, seriously, like you don't let people in that will hurt you. So like because like me know it to some extent. I'm have to be honest. Like so me I say, alright, you don't let people in that will hurt you. So like me look for some things and I wonder if those things hurt. You think you can run it for your face now? Like you understand what I'm saying?
Those things hurt what?
You were saying, because of the not having females as best friends, once bitten, twice shy. So, me I say, from that you said you know like letting people who will hurt you. So me I say I observe some things with you. So me I say oh, don't those things hurt. But at the same time, you know people that probably still get let in, even though
It's not let in. It's making them
you know, so
believe.
them confused, but me think them confused by now. But alright, so what is happening here? Yeah, what is happening here? We're getting closer to Miss Everly. She's a really deep person. Based on how she sorts out our friendship thing and realize how complicated it is. So I'm here now because if she says something, I'ma feel like a lie she a tell or misses something different. Like I gotta bring it up. So she start tell you why now she like the male friends as opposed to females. But the reason why she give like me
Like
kind of
what?
see some discrepancies there, so like that's why I ask.
So
But
tell me, what do you
no, we
mean?
can't do that part video, and you know that. But anyhow, moving on. You're a complicated young lady. So you write poems for fun, and tell
I
me,
out with my peeps.
like, well, better passionate about poetry as well.
Alright, like I said it before, I write poems because it's a way of expressing myself. So it's either I'm finally listening to myself, or someone is finally listening to me.
Alright, what got you into poetry in the first place?
Pain.
Pain. Which one? What stands out? Which one of those painful moments stand out?
I went through a lot of trauma as a child growing up, and
Did you say where you were from, though?
I'm originally from the Grove. I learned how to facade my pain. So a lot of people didn't see that, or they still don't see that part of me, because I facade my pain with enthusiasm and
the poetry.
excitement and poetry, and they think that.
So this is that. This is that.
Okay. Another coping mechanism, but me stop drink. This is for
Zanwa
stop
star.
drink.
I feel like I bring her out here because I feel like no, and this might sound one way. I feel like your mood constant, like it is constant, but you always a smile. Now I have those moods sometimes. Now I one of them, so you get now the reason why I pick you and that.
Okay,
Yeah, so
okay.
that as well. But yo, Zanwa, like me never trauma. You want to talk about that?
You never saw that, Akeem, because I don't allow people to see that.
You want to talk about that?
Sure, I have no issue with
I've had some of that stuff. I might sound casual when I say it. It's because I have experience with trauma as a child, so yeah.
So you can, relate to what I'm saying.
Yep.
Yeah, I went through a lot of trauma while growing up, and I saw a lot of things. Yo, the world cool, daddy.
Tell me one of them. What stands out to you most? As me asked about the pain and the trauma. What stands out most?
Alright, I don't know if I should say this.
You can code it up if you think. But you want to say it. I feel like you want. People always want to say that.
I really don't want to, put my finger on that part.
You want to give me a poem then?
I will try.
Alright, so we'll get some visuals. I give her time. I go and enjoy this. I give her some time for come up with a poem or find one where she have, and then we'll listen to it. And it will be based on the trauma and pain that she's talking about, and how she expresses it through a poem. So, we get some visuals, and if you're still confused as to what is happening, we're going to do the same thing as we normally do in this one. So, we make short films, still attempting movies, vlogs, B-roll, all of that, capturing moments. So, we'll get some visuals and come back and hear where Miss Everly is saying her poem there.
It's dark in here, and I'm afraid of opening my eyes. I wish to be free. My lonely heart cries. I spun and spun like a spinning wheel, covered by silk, protected by a house hard as steel. The pain I have endured wasn't getting better, but I heard someone said pain only makes us stronger. I knocked and knocked, rocked and rocked, struggling to get out. The process wasn't finished. Still I busted through with a shout. The process and pain was long, and coming out too early was wrong. The process of being beautiful isn't easy, especially when you're unable to wait, believe me. So I came out with a crooked wing and a broken heart. But time did heal my wing whilst learning to fly. I forgot how beautiful I was, and now my beauty I can't deny. So I just want you to know your flaws doesn't sorry, you can't start over.
I was gonna use that still. I use this as one blooper. Sorry, I don't like delete videos, especially when they're candid. I like see mistake them.
I want to start over.
Yeah, I don't mind you starting over.
Okay.
I mean, you could have continued in that right there. Yo, people, let me tell you something about video and these things. You can't make mistakes. So there's nothing wrong with mistakes. Like, people make mistakes. So like, you make the mistake, just start again from there. So, just one little 2 cents. So, wanna go again, Miss Everly?
Yes. It's dark in here, and I'm afraid of opening my eyes. I wish to be free, my lonely heart cries. I spun and spun like a spinning wheel, covered by silk, protected by a house hard as steel. The pain I have endured wasn't getting better, but I heard someone said pain only makes us stronger. I knocked and knocked, rocked and rocked, struggling to get up. The process wasn't finished. Still I busted through with a shout. The process and pain was long, and coming out too early was wrong. The process of being beautiful isn't easy, especially when you're unable to wait, believe me. So I came out with a crooked wing and a broken heart. But time did heal my wing whilst learning to fly. I forgot how beautiful I was, and now my beauty I can't deny. So I just want you to know your flaws doesn't hide your beauty. You don't need to cry. Smile and be happy, my wounded butterfly.
Yay! Clap yourself, clap yourself, clap yourself. That was a beautiful poem. So, yeah, people. I think you see, I don't say I change up the content, but nah. I continue to do these videos where I meet with females, women, talk to them, get to know them, and personality, and all of that. Why not males? Like, I'm a male, like, I know things about males already. I don't know things about women, so that's why I like talk about them, talk to them, talk about them, find out about that. But males, like, like me talk to some males in the interview, but for the most part, like me I want male, like nothing really fascinating about males. Yeah, so thank you for tuning in as usual. Like the video, thank you, subscribe. And yes, movies are come, but they take a whole lot of work, so patience with me please. And for all who don't want to hear me tell them to like and subscribe, Everly, and send them over your channel in the meantime for me please.
Alright guys, I want you guys to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as go over to Poems by Everly Graham.
Poems by Everly.
Yes, so that is Poems by Everly Graham. Like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content.
Yay!
Yay!
I feel like you're one of them people who always talk about guess what everything I talk about? You're hurt, but you have one smile on your face.
Of course, that's my facade. I said it.
John
it.
Mama asked you a while ago.
How do I like these spontaneous videos?
Yeah.
I like it.
Because another first
Everything's
well.
spontaneous.
How you like the video we just do?
I love it.
Video later.